Alright, here's Daddy's girls. Here's Daddy's two girls. Hey. Who's the girls in? Where's my babies? There's my babies. Are you Daddy's baby? Yeah. You find you a leaf? Silly girls. Silly girls. Y'all both y'all silly. What y'all doing? What? What are y'all doing? What's Daddy's babies doing? Come here, let's see your pretty eyes. Can we see your pretty face and eyes? Yeah, see I got pretty face and eyes. Yes, I do. See, I'm a sweetie pie. And what have you found over here? Huh? You like leaves? Y'all fighting over a leaf? See, we're silly. Y'all ready to go inside? Huh? Y'all want to go inside with Daddy? Who wants to go inside with Daddy? Huh? Y'all want to go inside with Daddy? It's getting hot out here. Just do us a little short video for everybody. We'll do us a little short video for everybody. Show the girls. You know you can't eat leaves, right? It don't do any good to chew on leaves. My goodness, it's hot. It's hot for us. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we're so goofy. See, we're gonna chase each other. See, we're gonna chase each other. You gonna get your sisters? Goofy. You're goofy. Some goofy baby girls. Come on, let's go inside. It's too hot out here. Let's go inside and cool off. Come on, let's get in the air conditioner.